In Unit 2, we're gonna learn about rhythm. So how does the rhythm works and how does it start and how can we count properly and feel the rhythm. So I will show you step by step. Okay, so we have our notes in here. So in here, imagine you have the cake and then you want to divide the cakes. So first, the cake, it takes you 4 days to finish. So you need to patiently count up to 4 days before you finish that cake. So I normally ask my student to clap the beat while counting up to 4. So like this. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then you cut the cake into half. So what happened here? Now your notes cut into half become smaller. That's where the stem coming from. Okay, and then from 4 days it become 2 days. Become 2 beats. So the waiting time will become less. Normally you can call it longer or you can count 2 like this. Longer, longer. 1, 2, 1, 2. And then again, you cut the cake into quarter. So quarter looks like how to transpose this. You draw exactly the same. You only need to color into black. And then you only have 1 day left. So it's only 1 beat. It means you don't require to wait. The speed of the 1 beat is normally like walking. So you have walking, walking, 1, 1, 1, 1. When we call this as a stem, when it's pointing up, normally you use your right hand to play. When it's pointing down, normally you use your left hand to play. It's similar to going high on the right side of your body, going low, pointing down on the left side of your body. First song of Unit 2, you will find one is pointing up, one is pointing down. Up one is right side, down one is left side. And it will always show you where to find the keys, which is your position. After that, you can say right, left, right, left, right, twice, left, twice. Or you can say walking, walking, walk twice, left, twice. Walking song. So find 3 black keys and put it on. Right hand is up. You have to have a firm finger and say the number. Ready, set, go. 2, 3, 4, 3, 2, 3, 4, 4. Left hand, 2, 3, 4, 3, 2, 3, 4, 4. Walk along and keep a good beat. Next one, if they don't write the numbers for you, you follow the same number. So, tightrope walker, start from right hand. 2, 2, 3, 3, 4, 4, 3, 3, 2, 2, 3, 3, 4, 4, 4, 4. Balance, don't fall. Next one, we learn walk and hold. Walk and longer. So you can call it short, short, longer. The I like song, put on 3 black keys, follow the numbers, and say the rhythm. You start from short, short, longer. 4, 3, longer. 3, 3, 2, 3, 4, 4, longer. 4, 3, longer. 2, 3, longer. 3, 3, 2, 3, 4, 4, longer. When you play with the teacher duet accompaniment, you put higher. This is middle, you move higher. I like dogs, I like cats, I like funny looking hair. I like sand, I like sun, liking things is so much fun. Next, I hear the echo. You learn loud and soft. F forte is loud. How to make loud sound? You just by hitting your keys harder. How to make soft sound? You have to stay close to the key and hit it gently. So first, I hear the echo. You put on 3 black keys. First, you prepare to go loud and say the number out loud as well. Ready, set, go. 2, 2, 3, 3, 4, 4. So 2, 2, 3, 3, 4, 4. Now left hand loud. 2, 2, 3, 4, 4. So 2, 2, 3, 3, 4, 4. Put your hands higher. Go. So across the valley. So now I hear the echo. Loud. Play the music loudly. So now I hear the echo. Last song from Unit 2, we have Old MacDonald Had a Farm. So if you see a pointing up and down, you make sure you swap hand. So we're on a 3 black key and this on 2 black key. We start from right hand, from 2, 2, swap to left hand, 3, 2, 2, 3, right hand, 4, 4, 3, 3, and count, 2, 3, repeat, 2, 2, 2, left hand, 3, 2, 2, 3, right hand, 4, 4, 3, 3, 2, 2, 3, so 2 black keys, move to high, 2 black keys, come back, here a black key, and 3, 3, 3, back to 2, 2, 2, 3, 2, 2, 3, right hand, 4, 4, 3, 3, 2. We're gonna play higher. MacDonald had a son, E-I-E-I-O, 2, 3, 4. Play his keyboard all day long, E-I-E-I-O, 2, 3, 4.